In this video, I will show you how to use the Instagram Stories link sticker. First, open the Instagram app. Now tap on this Your Story icon. From here, take a photo or video or upload one from your gallery. Once your story is ready, tap on the sticker icon. From this list of sticker, look at the link sticker and tap on it. Next, type or paste the URL you want to share. You can also customize the sticker text. You can add it over here. Once it looks good, tap on the finished option. The link will now appear on your story. You can tap it to change its appearance, then drag, resize or rotate it just like any other sticker. Keep in mind that you can only add one link sticker to each story. After you're done editing, tap on the Your Story to post it. Anyone who views your story can simply tap on the link sticker to open the website you have shared. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.